Hey neighbor, Big Ben Thiessen here with RE/MAX Executives and welcome to Harborview South. I am so excited about this listing today. We are on a fantastic bay. We're at 7 Maranda Place. We've got like 6 houses on this bay. Beautiful area, beautiful neighbors. We're backing onto open space so you don't have backlane neighbors. And the house behind me here, over 1,200 square foot. We've got a bungalow, we've got a double attached garage, 3 bedrooms up, 2 bathrooms. Downstairs you got another bathroom fully finished. And it's a longtime owner that's meticulously taking care of this property. So there's gonna be no disappointments. Let's check it out. What a fantastic backyard here. We've got a beautiful deck, we've got a garden area, we've got lots of green space, and it's quiet, it's beautiful, you can hear the birds chirping. Well, I guess that'll conclude our tour here at 7 Maranda Place. If you or anyone you know has any questions about this property, maybe you'd like to book your own private showing, give me a call, text, or email, or maybe you can think of the perfect person for this property. Add their name to the comments below, or click that share button. Thanks, have a great day, and remember, I want to be your realtor. Really had a crush on Victoria Beckham. Victoria Adams back in the day. Posh Spice? Yeah. No, you know what? We were both single at the time and thought we might have had something special, maybe a connection, but I mean, she got married, had kids. She went a different direction in life. And I accepted it.